This dance is called Homecoming Queen. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 5 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with some step lock steps. You're actually going to be travelling to the diagonal whilst continuing to face forward when you do them. So you're going to step that right diagonally forward, lock the left behind, step the right diagonally forward again. Then scuff the left. Step locks again, left foot leading, go into the left diagonal. So the same principle, you're still going to be facing forward but travelling diagonally. So left goes diagonally to the left, cross the right behind, step that left diagonally forward, scuff the right. That set of steps once more then, step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself, quarter turn to the left. Into a little weave, crossing the right over left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left, step forward on the right, pivot yourself, quarter of a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then, step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot. Now you are continuing to turn to the left in that particular section. 3 quarter turns gives you the equivalent of a 3/4 turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, start off the same as everybody else. Step, pivot, quarter turn left. Add on that weave, cross, side, behind. This is where it differs. Instead of turning left, turn right as you step back on that left. So quarter turn to the right, you step back on the left. Then rock back on the right. As you recover your weight, make a further quarter of a turn to the right. So then non-turning steps, should you need to eliminate that 3/4 turn in that last section. So let's add that to the top. Step locks, off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot. We're going to add on some toe struts. You're going to do a cross strut to start with. So cross the right toe over the left, lower the right heel. Then to the side, so you step that left toe to the side, lower the left heel. Another cross strut, so the right crosses over, lower the right heel. Then rock to the side on the left and recover. That set of steps once more then, those toe struts off on the right. 7, 8, cross strut, cross strut, side rock. Add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, cross, strut, side, rock. Cross the left behind the right. Make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Step forward on the left. Pivot yourself 3/4 of a turn, so you end up back facing 3 o'clock. Chassé to the left, rock back on the right and recover. That set of steps once more then. Behind turn, step pivot 3/4 off on the left. 7, 8, behind turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock. Now when you do that back rock, it is in fact a cross back rock, so you need to cross the right behind as you rock back on it. Now again in that section we've got that quarter turn followed by that pivot 3/4. It is the equivalent of a full turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, don't turn at that point. Then rather than doing your step pivot 3/4, cross rock, recover, then add on your chassé, cross back rock. So non-turning steps should you need to take that equivalent full turn out in that section. Otherwise, that is the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock. Now that chassé in that last section is the only place where you have an and count. So the rest of it is all single count timing steps. I'm not going to propose to go through the counts, but it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock. So that is your dance. Now the dance has got 5 tags and 1 restart in it. Not to be too put off by the fact that there are 5 tags. They all come at the end of the walls, and to help you with a clue, listen for the chorus. At the end of every chorus you put on your tag. Your tag, quite simply, side touch, side touch. So you step the right to the side touch left, left to the side touch right. Single count timing steps. So like I said, they come at the end of the walls where you have just heard the chorus. So those are actually walls 3, 6, 7, 9 and 10. So those are your tags. Now your restart comes in wall 8 after 16 counts. So you'll actually restart before you go into your toe strut section. So you've done your step pivot, weave, turn, step pivot, restart at that point. So what we're going to do is we'll have a go at wall 7. End of wall 7, we will add on the tag, because that is one of the tag walls. Go into wall 8, which is your restart wall, restart after 16 counts, so you can see how both elements fit into the dance. So wall 7 is our 6 o'clock wall. Let's take you through wall 7, tag into wall 8, restart. Off on the right, step locks. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, tag, side touch, restart, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, hopefully you can see how the tags and that restart fit in. So remember the tags, 3, 6, 7, 9 and 10 if you like wall numbers, but it's at the end of every chorus. And then you'll restart in wall 8. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to a piece of music that I'm sure you'll recognise.
What number is this, Jim?
7A.
Okay, not me, don't get excited, man. It's because I'm short, I know.
5, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, 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 lock, step, step, step. Pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step. Pivot, cross, step, side, step. Cross, step, side, lock, behind, turn, step. Pivot, left, chassé, back, rock, step, lock, step, 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 lock, step, step, step. Pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step. Pivot, cross, step, side, step, cross, step, side, rock, behind, turn, step. Pivot, left, chassé, back, rock, step, right, tag wall. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, straight, side, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left, chassé, back, or tag, side, touch, side, touch, step, locks. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, strut, side, strut, cross, strut, side, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, left, chassé, back, rock, step, locks. Pivot, struts, behind turn, step locks, your next time wall, step pivot, struts, behind turn, tag, step locks, next tag, struts, tag. To restart wall, restart, and your next tag. Tag. And again. Hope you managed that one.